Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English story at the movie theater today.
Hi, we are happy you are here to learn with us.
Today, you will learn simple English for problems and polite requests in conversations.
The level is mostly A1, with some easy B1 sentences near the end.
Please subscribe to our channel for more simple English stories every week.
And comment below and tell us which country you are watching from today.
Hi, Jessica. Are you ready for the movie tonight? I am excited.
Hi, Ryan. Yes, I am ready. I hope this movie is funny.
I bought the tickets online this afternoon. The movie starts at 7:30.
Good, we are on time. Maybe we can buy popcorn before we sit.
The movie is called Space Adventure 2, right? That is the one you like.
Yes, Space Adventure 2. I watched the first movie last year. It was great.
Let us go inside now and find the screen number on these tickets.
Okay, thank you. After we find the screen, we can relax a little.
Everything looks correct. I think nothing can go wrong with these tickets today.
Yes, it seems simple. We just show the tickets and enjoy the film.
Here is the ticket check area. The screen number is 5 on these tickets.
Screen 5, okay. I see arrows on the wall pointing in that direction.
Wait, this says 6 o'clock, but now it is already 7:15.
What? That is strange. I thought the showtime was 7:30 tonight.
Oh no, these tickets are for Space Adventure 1, not Space Adventure 2.
So, we have tickets for the wrong movie and the wrong time as well.
I am very sorry, Jessica. I did not read carefully when I booked.
It is okay, Ryan. Mistakes happen. We can try to fix this calmly.
Let us go to the counter and ask politely, can we change these tickets?
Yes, we should explain the problem clearly and use very polite language and a friendly tone.
Maybe I can say, excuse me, I think I bought the wrong tickets today.
Good. Then you can add, I'm sorry for the mistake. Can you help us?
I feel a little nervous, but I know polite words will really help.
Yes, clear and polite language usually makes problems smaller and easier to solve.
Excuse me, I am sorry, I think I bought tickets for the wrong movie.
We wanted Space Adventure 2 at 7:30. These tickets are for another film and time.
Could you please change these tickets to Space Adventure 2 if that is possible?
If you cannot change them, maybe we can pay the difference. That is okay.
In our story, the staff understands us and kindly changes the tickets for free.
Yes, because we were honest, calm, and polite, the problem became easy to solve.
Now we have the correct tickets. I feel much better and not stressed.
Me too. This hallway leads to Screen 5, our movie Space Adventure 2.
I learned that checking details early can prevent stress later at the cinema.
And I learned that polite language turns a problem into a simple conversation, not a conflict.
Now, let us review some useful sentences you can use in real-life situations.
You can say, excuse me, I think there is a problem with my ticket.
Thank you for watching our story today. Goodbye, everyone, and goodbye, Jessica. Enjoy the movie.
Bye, Ryan, and bye to all of you. See you next time for another English story. Hello, everyone. I am Jessica, your English teacher. Today, we will study English from our story. Questions with B. Are you ready for the movie tonight? Suggestions with let us. Let us go inside now. Options with can. Maybe we can buy popcorn. We can relax a little. Soften with, I think. I think nothing can go wrong. Contrast with but. But now it is already 7:15. Polite openers reduce tension. Excuse me, I am sorry. State the issue after softeners. I think I bought the wrong tickets. Apology with for plus noun. I am sorry for the mistake. Direct help question with can. Can you help us? I will explain grammar, verbs, and sentence use. I will explain why these phrases sound polite. Request change with can. Can we change these tickets? More polite with could. Could you please change these tickets? Add a soft condition, if that is possible. Offer options with if you cannot change them. Maybe we can pay the difference. Accept outcomes politely. That is okay. Explain clearly and be polite. We should explain the problem clearly, very polite language. A friendly tone. Reason with because. Because we were honest, calm, and polite result phrase for outcomes. The problem became easy to solve. Degree words can soften tone. I will show when to use them in real life. Present simple with be. I am ready. I am excited. Subject plus be plus adjective. Polite wish with hope. I hope this movie is funny. Past simple for finished time. I watched the first movie last year. It was great. Negative past with did not. I did not read carefully. Irregular past form. I bought the tickets online.